To create a Wix landing page quickly and easily, start by going to the Wix website and signing in to your account. If you do not have an account, create one by clicking on the Sign Up button and following the registration process. Once you are logged in, click on the Create a Site button and select Landing Page from the options. Choose a template that best suits your needs. Wix offers a wide range of templates for different purposes such as sales, event, or newsletter sign-up pages. After selecting a template, click on Edit to start customizing your landing page. You will be taken to the Wix editor, a user-friendly interface that allows you to drag and drop elements onto your page. Start by adding text, images, and other media to make your page more engaging. Customize the template by changing the background, adding or removing sections, and adjusting the layout. Make sure your landing page is mobile-friendly, as most users will access it through their smartphones. Use the Wix mobile editor to ensure your page looks great on smaller screens. Add a clear and concise headline that communicates the main message of your landing page. Use action-oriented language in your call to action button to encourage visitors to take the desired action. Connect your domain to your Wix landing page and set up analytics to track the performance of your page. Finally, click on the Publish button to make your landing page live and start driving traffic to it. Remember to keep your landing page simple, focused, and free of distractions. Use high-quality images and make sure the page loads quickly. Test and optimize your landing page regularly to improve its performance and increase conversions. By following these steps, you can create a Wix landing page that effectively communicates your message and drives results.